Koh Phangan on a budget 3-day island itinerary. Think Koh Phangan is just about the full moon party? Think again. This budget-friendly 3-day itinerary will show you how to explore the best beaches, hikes, waterfalls, and local food, all without breaking the bank. Perfect for backpackers, solo travelers, and digital nomads. Day 1. Arrival plus beaches and sunset viewpoints. Start your trip off right with a visit to the serene Koh Phangan, making it perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Afterward, head to Amsterdam Bar or Dome Sela for a spectacular sunset view. With its prime location, you'll be able to witness the sky turn orange and purple as the sun dips below the horizon. And don't forget to try their signature cocktail, the Rainbow Phangan, for just 75 THB. Day 2. Hike, swim and chill. Get ready for an adventurous day. Choose to hike to the stunning Bottle Beach or visit the majestic Phang waterfall. If you're not up for hiking, no worries. You can also explore the nearby Secret Beach or head back to Koh Phangan for another dose of relaxation. Don't forget to try some delicious food while you're there. Indulge in mouth-watering pad thai or green curry at one of the many restaurants serving authentic Thai dishes for under 100 THB. Day 3. Optional full moon party or relaxing day. If you're on the island during the full moon, you can choose to experience the world-famous full moon party. If not, don't worry, we've got you covered with a relaxing alternative. Start your day with yoga at the sanctuary, followed by a traditional Thai massage at the Thanu Healing Center. And for a healthy and delicious lunch, head to one of the smoothie bowl cafes near Srefenu. These picturesque cafes offer a wide range of superfood smoothies and snacks, the perfect way to fuel up after your morning activities. Whether you choose to party or relax, we've got you covered with our range of carefully selected activities and attractions. And the best part, all these amazing experiences, unbreak the bank with our daily budget, ranging from 800 to 1200 THB or 22 to 33 United States dollars. So what are you waiting for? Like, comment, and subscribe if Koh Phangan is on your list. And don't forget to stay tuned for more epic stories and travel tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.